back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is laundry motivation. I haven't brought one of these to y'all in a while, and I want to start these back up, putting them in regular rotation because you guys love them. And so this one is just very quick and very simple. I'm washing, drying, folding, and putting away some clothes and towels. So without any further ado, let's just jump in right to the motivation, and you can just play this while you do laundry or fold with me, and I'll pop back in here to chat.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight. This time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight. This time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me?
You can probably already see that I'm using the Method glass cleaner on top of the washer and dryer, but just in case you're not familiar, the brand is Method and it is the glass cleaner and it smells really good.
What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah.
So I just wanted to share that I got these seat covers for super cheap. I'm talking like $3, I think, between $3 and $5 each from IKEA last summer. I'm sure they still have them, but they're super cheap if you're looking for some seat cushions.
I'm no good for you. What if you're no good for me? Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again.
I hope you guys guys enjoyed this quick laundry motivation video, and if you did, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up. It also helps my channel when you hit that red subscribe button, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!
Stronger than